The U.S. Navy has carried out its first ever at-sea launch of a one-way attack drone from a surface warship in the Arabian Gulf, marking a major step toward operational unmanned strike capability. Using the Lucas system aboard the littoral combat ship USS Santa Barbara, the Navy turned a long-discussed concept into a real-world deployment at sea. The test follows the recent arrival of the military's first one-way attack drone squadron in the Middle East, highlighting how quickly unmanned weapons are moving from experimentation to frontline use. As drone and missile attacks increasingly shape the region's maritime security environment, the Navy is signaling a shift toward flexible, low-cost strike options designed to strengthen deterrence and expand commanders' response options at sea.